We're out here by Ben Avery shooting today, and we're doing a little bit of cooking with Pappy. Today we're going to shoot Cornish game hens, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this little game hen and we're going to hit it with Tannerite and cook it and blow it up all in one thing. First off, you got to do is we season this bird with garlic, salt, pepper, and because it's out in the country, you want a little taste of the earth. So we'll take a little bit of local dirt, sprinkle it on top. Ready to go. Now, I'd like to invite Mike here, my sous chef. Mike, you'll be taking the first shot today. What do you say? Can you do it in one shot?
I'm going to take it out in one shot. That's all it's going to take.
One shot. That's all it's going to take. Let's see what happens when he fires that round. So this is Pappy. Hang on, we're going to do our shot. You're up. Let's see you blow that chicken up. I'm gonna need a new shoes, chef, after this. That's it. That's your shot, dude. Quit taking shots. Okay, go for it, Ray.
What the heck? 2 shots.
Donnie, get a gun.
Hold on. That one doesn't have a...
Mark, you ready? That's it, Ray.
Right under it.
2.
No. 1. Okay, Mark. Oh, you guys suck. All right, Donnie, take your shot. Whatever one you want. Put a mag in it. Donnie is a junior apprentice who's first time at gun. He's never shot an AK-47 before, and this is his first attempt. He doesn't even know the sights are turned off. Yeah, there he goes. He doesn't know to open the other side though, does he? Wait. Turn this on. Take a peek. Okay. I gotta get some better help. Okay. It's my turn. Here. Hold this.
Here. I want to record it too. Mike. Here, I'm going to record on my phone. Oh, never mind.
Wait a minute. An accident.
Alright, so.
Mike again.
Keep filming it.
I want to
I
record.
want to set the, my AK, my AR, I mean.
Set it up.
Obviously, the kitchen staff needs help. Go ahead. Here's Mark. Okay, Donnie. Grab a gun and go.
Is there one in the chamber there?
Hey, Mark,
One
will
in
you,
the chamber.
Oh, there's
let's
one
do
in
this.
the
I'm gonna
chamber.
I'm gonna set my AR up.
Okay.
Here, good.
Here, I'll have Mike do it.
The last, just keep on.
I think they're all out.
Alright, Mark, you're up.
No, it's Mike.
No? Oh, Mike?
Mike. All right, go ahead, Ray. Take a shot.
Let's go, Red.
Take a shot.
Alright.
I'm gonna get my turn. Hey!
That was 2. Alright, Mike.
All right.
It's 4.
Okay. Where is it? Damn.
Well, we all suck.
Worst shots ever. Who's up?
Mike.
Mark.
Let's just shoot. Oh, well, who's going to record?
I will. Get back.
Worst
Worst shooters in the world.
Let's all fire.
All right, guys. Somebody's got to hit it. Good job. Was that me or you?
I think it's him.
Nope.
That was me then.
No, that's you.
All right,
There's that
let's
one
go
shot
gather
right
that chicken. Cooked the chicken out there with the Tannerite. We went and we gathered it up, and look at it, all cut up in little pieces for us, pre-done. Oh, it's all seasoned to perfection, and oh yeah, man, this is great. Anyways, let's go make some coleslaw now the same way. From Pappy's Posse, have a good day.